Australia will further shorten the waiting time for COVID-19 boosters to combat the Omicron variant. A new wave of infections has thrown Christmas plans into disarray. Tens of thousands of people have been forced into isolation as the country registers more than 9,000 new cases, another record jump.
Millions more Australians will soon be able to receive their COVID-19 booster shots. The government is fast-tracking the nation's booster program after calls from state premiers to better protect against the Omicron variant. From January 4th, booster shots will be available to all adults 4 months after the second dose. And by the end of next month, the wait will be shortened again to 3 months.
In the last week, in fact, last night and the night before, there was more evidence that came around the protective effect of boosters, but also that waning element. And so the best evidence they've got at the moment is for between 3 and 4 months.
Testing sites continue to be inundated as Omicron pushes cases to new heights. The outbreak was centred around the most populous states of New South Wales and Victoria, but infections are now surging in Queensland and South Australia too. As authorities scramble to contain the rapid spread, thousands of people find their holiday plans thrown into chaos. Airlines in Australia had to cancel or postpone flights after many frontline staff were forced to isolate. Sydney Airport, the country's busiest, has cut at least 80 domestic flights. Reinstated COVID-19 curbs are also dampening the festive spirit.
And we were just actually saying how sad it is that it's Christmas Eve and there's not very many people around, and how all the businesses must be feeling like losing out on such a busy time. It's sad that there's not many people around.
We have our masks, we've done the rapid antigen testing, so we're being as safe as we can and staying as much as we can in open spaces like this, and I think that's all you really can do.
Despite the record cases, officials say the number of patients admitted to hospitals remain far lower than during the Delta outbreaks. About 4% of hospitalised patients have been infected with Omicron.